right, so today we're gonna make some coffee in the back of our truck. We're gonna use our brand new pour over from Yeti. This thing is awesome. We wanted something that was stainless steel, so it was durable and it wouldn't be plastic or glass. And then we wanted something that would be pretty easy cleanup when you're outside, away from a kitchen. You want something that's gonna be pretty quick to clean up and not something that like a French press that we'd have to be like scraping grinds out of and whatnot. So we're going to be using our truck's outlet right here. It's a 120 volt, 2400 watt plug. And we are going to be using our electric tea kettle, which I believe is 1000 watt. So we'll have more than enough power, and we are going to enjoy some fantastic outdoor coffee. So this is super easy to get power back to that outlet. You just turn on your truck. Then there's this little button over here. It says 120 volt, and you click this switch. And once you see that light on, you'll know that you got power going back to that outlet. This is going to be enough for both Johnny and I. So we'll get that going just like that, and we got power. Let's heat this up. Let's prep the rest of our stuff. Let's get this thing out of here, ready to make some coffee. Prepping it. Gotta get that filter wet. We definitely grinded this a little bit too fine, but we're gonna work with what we got here. Okay, so we're definitely gonna wanna get like a bed mat or just something to give us a little bit more working space, because I'm very afraid things are just gonna go falling. So I feel like that will make this process a lot quicker. Also, you just heard the engine kick on. The engine was off and it was just using the hybrid battery as we have this plugged in. And then when that battery gets low, from my understanding, the engine will kick on. So we just heard it kick on. This is just our first quick.
Nice.
We are gonna load this up into our Nalgene because we pack out what we pack in.
That's right.
All right, we're gonna pour in some milk to finish it off. Just a tad bit.
It's so good, babe. So tell us again, what do you like about this?
I just like that it's stainless steel, so we can just throw it in with all our gear. We don't have to worry about it breaking. It's not plastic, so we're not drinking those like microplastics and whatnot. And then just the system of how you're able to clean it when it's all in that filter, and then we just threw the whole filter away.
Yeah.
It makes the cleanup really easy. We're not trying to find running water to like rinse out like a French press where you have to rinse out the bottom or like dump the grind somewhere.
Yeah.
But then you never really get everything fully out. So the simplicity of this, it also doesn't take up a lot of space. It's small. It's not like a big bulky thing.
Yeah.
We can just make it really quickly with the two of us.
Easy cleanup. I like it.
Yeah.
It's really fun. Hands-on making coffee is kind of fun.
Exactly. And it's outside. It's like when you're camping and you're outdoors. When you're outside and you're camping and you're outdoors, you kind of want a slower pace. It doesn't need to be like quick. It's like, let's just enjoy the moment of even making coffee.
It's true.
Appreciating where we are.
So you like the whole setup with the hybrid?
Yeah, I mean, I think it was super easy to use. One switch in the truck, you click it on, you plug it in like you would any other outlet. And I mean, I feel like it's working really well. this electric tea kettle is definitely heating up just as quick as it would be if we were at home. So I'm impressed. I like it. I think we're going to use it a lot more. This is our cleanup. That's what we're talking about.
So we were on our way home and saw these goats here and thought this is a great place to enjoy our coffee. So here we are. Yes, we can.